Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. Jamralia here and today I will share with you our quick tour in Dipolog Boulevard. Dipolog Boulevard, also known as Dipolog Sunset Boulevard, is a 3.6 kilometer scenic promenade in Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, popular for its sunset views and recreational activities. It features a baywalk, restaurants, and shops and hosts various events. The area also serves as a wellness and foreshore development center aimed at improving the well-being of residents and minimizing coastal erosion. Maganda.
Aking binibidyon nga. Pero dito, first time sa nagkagandaan ako. Green. Yes. Like the, yes. Wait lang. Flash mo na. Ito maganda o, tingnan mo. Wait, tara dito. Meron pa, tara dito. Tingnan mo yung mga, yes, yes. Isang meron, ito maganda o, tingnan mo. Kasi ano, ito, ikaw. Oh, ganda no. Pinipicture pa na natin. Ang ganda talaga. Background ko na lang. Yung background ko dun sa altakan ko, yung ride. Doon yun eh. Ito yun, doon banda namin. Ano ba na miniature yun na yung ride. Yes. Ang ganda eh. Nagpakarga na. Ayo.
This long boulevard is the perfect place to spend some quiet time while enjoying the waves rushing to the shore, observing passersby, and watching the sunset. Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully, and no sun outlasts its sunset but will rise again and bring the dawn. Sunsets have a magical way of painting the sky with vibrant colors, symbolizing the end of a day and the promise of a new beginning. This place has everything a tourist is looking for. Waves hitting the seawall, fishing boats leaving the jetty at sunset, joggers, romantic couples, bikers, live bands, fresh seafoods, Zumba dancers, entertainment, sporting events, or a beach to put your bare feet during low tide.
I caught a little. Wala na. Ano yun? Kasi yung ano. Uy. Yo, look at my talent. Let me do some side quest before I show you my. Perfect picture. It would be bad if Mindol. Tulog diretso. Hindi, gaganon ko lang naman. Gaganon ko lang.